So this is our new Boer kid, a female or darling that was born on Thursday, the 12th of September 2019, and that's the mother. The kid is okay, is healthy. Of course, the mother is also healthy. What we usually do after the mother has given birth is we make sure that we deworm her to make sure she remains healthy, because usually worms are a danger, and you usually can't deworm goats when they are pregnant. So hence immediately they give birth, we deworm them. So far so good. The kid seems very healthy, and then of course after some time we are going to do a vaccination program to make sure we protect the kid and the mother from diseases that are of viral type. So that's it from Shambani Farm today, the 15th of September 2019. Cheers.